Will your smoke detector work when you need it? Believe it or not, 59% of home fire deaths occur in properties where smoke alarms are either missing or not operating properly. That statistic is quite alarming. So let's dive into why smoke alarm maintenance is crucial and how you can ensure your smoke detectors are functioning correctly. Why smoke alarms matter. Smoke detectors are your first line of defense against home fires. They can provide early warning, giving you and your family precious moments to escape. Without a functioning smoke detector, you might not be aware of a fire until it's too late. Smoke detector tips. Smoke detectors should be installed in every bedroom, outside each sleeping area, and on every floor of your home, including the basement and garage. Test smoke detectors monthly to ensure they're working correctly. Replace the batteries at least once a year or when the alarm chirps, indicating the battery is low. Smoke detectors expire, so it's important to replace them according to the manufacturer's instructions. Most often, this is every 10 years. How to test your smoke alarms. Press the test button on your alarm to make sure it sounds. If it doesn't, check the batteries and replace them if necessary. If it still doesn't work, it might be time to replace the unit. Cleaning your alarms. Dust and debris can affect the functionality of smoke detectors. Clean your alarms periodically by gently vacuuming the outside or using a soft brush. Battery replacement. Even if your smoke detector is hardwired, it likely has a backup battery. Make sure to replace this battery annually. A simple trick is to do this when you change your clocks for daylight savings time. Common issues and solutions. Sometimes smoke alarms can malfunction or give false alarms. Here are common issues and their solutions. False alarms. Cooking smoke or steam can trigger alarms. Ensure your alarms are placed a safe distance from kitchens and bathrooms. If your alarm goes off frequently without cause, it might be time to clean or replace it. Malfunctions. If your alarm chirps continuously, it might need a new battery, or it could be signaling the end of its life. If a hardwired alarm malfunctions, check the electrical connection or consult an electrician. Smoke alarm maintenance is a simple yet vital practice that can protect you and your loved ones from the devastating effects of a house fire. Regular testing, cleaning, and battery replacement are crucial steps in ensuring your alarms are ready to alert you in case of an emergency. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to be the first to see new content. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping you safe. Stay proactive, stay safe, and see you next time. Would you like to take control of your future and build a business you can be proud of? We can help. As a Disaster Blaster franchise partner, our industry experts will help you unlock the potential of the $210 billion restoration industry. Disaster Blaster offers the most revenue streams in the restoration industry, training and support from industry experts, a unique model primed for your success, and more. Call our franchise team today to learn more at 302-242-1042 or visit us on the web at disasterblasterfranchise.com. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And while you're here, check out our other great content.